Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a jellyfish on Dress to Impress. So technically, you can do whatever for like your hairs and stuff, but this is just an idea if you would like to create like a jellyfish costume. So I'm just going to use that as well as this for the bangs, and I'm just going to color it kind of the same colors, maybe with some purple. Actually, I'm just going to add that to this one like that, and then I'm going to add maybe this. I can't really do no bangs, so let me search for another hairstyle that I can use. I'm just going to use this one. Maybe add this, but make this a little bit lighter. And I'll just turn off the beads like that. Super cute. Next, for the outfit, again, you can basically do anything for the outfit, but I'm just going to give you guys like an idea on what you can wear. I'm just going to select this fit right here. And I'm just going to make that blue. Maybe this one. And then I'm going to go to the dressing rooms to put like a lot of like layers. This is where you're gonna add a lot of stuff to your outfit using these. So skirt, place it like that, and then there will be, I'm trying to like find where everything is. The Valentine's Day skirt, obviously we need this one. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna use that because it's like a little bit see-through. So I'm just going to again mix and match in between these colors that I have on. I'm going to also go to VIP. You don't need to, but I just want more layers like on my outfit here, so that's why I'm going to the VIP section, because like you'll only practically need that one, honestly. And then I'm going to add more layers to this outfit. Wait, hold on, I'm trying to find where it is. Toggle it to the first one, and I'm just going to color it kind of the same again, like that maybe. And you can add more stuff, but I'll just stop here so that it won't take forever. Then for the hat, we're going to get this hat and again color it whatever color you want and change it to silk. Then you're going to also get this hat, and then I'm going to color it the same, and then we're going to add that silk as well. And lastly, I don't know where the hat is. So I'm just gonna try to find the hat first. Oh, it's here. Also, same thing. I might change the color a bit on this one. And yeah, obviously you're going to add more stuff than me right now, but it's going to take like forever for this tutorial. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Let me find a pose. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.